a world where everyone thinks they can do my job, check out this guy.
When I was a little boy and told people I was going to be a comedian, everyone laughed at me. Well, no one's laughing now.
You can say that again, pal.
Joker. One small thing. Would you bring me out? Can you introduce me as Joker? Can you introduce me as Joker? The clown.
Hey, trust me right now. Hey, this is really a surprise. Hey, this is really a surprise right now. Hey, forward writer, so. Me I tell you, you're really excited right now. 100% talent, Jamaica. Hey, trust me, this. Hey, trust me. Hey, call him a joker today. Call him a joker today. Alright, General, what you think about? Because you know you're up the whole place, you know. So, alright, General, what you think about this brother you right here, so?
Yo, Vaz.
Yeah.
Yo, yo, hey, listen what me I tell you now, man. You're bossing on me, General. You see you're gonna boss, you're gonna make it. You see me I deal with. You see your craft and your talent, me love how you own it up and you know. Level with the rhythm. You're not shy. You're serious about your craft. You're forward out in your image. You see me I deal with, you give a storyline after just dancing and have to say a word. And you do it every week. You see me I deal with. So for me, no problem. I 10 my God. You see me I deal with manners.
Our General, thank you for that. You get a 10 from our General Station. What do you think about this dancer's performance?
Oh my God, you are so talented. Like, you're good. You're going with yourself. I like it. It's different. I would have really like put you out there. Me that hire you right now for any little party, anything you're going with yourself. I like it. And you're going places. Yeah, you get a 10 from me too. Yeah.
What you going on? Good man. Lady Tash. Alright, so we're using 3 judges right now. Alright, so Lady Tash.
No, sir.
Yeah.
The more like saying is that I'm not ask Christ, but me ask Christ. Why me? Young man, trust me. No, stop looking at me. Trust me. Trust me. You pull me out of my chair. You were engaging. The interaction, trust me, 100% talent. We're happy to have you. You understand? We're happy to have you. This is a real talent. Straight 10.
It's 10. All right, Kisha Las Vegas. Trust me, everybody have to say something. I'm not lie because yeah, smooth you out going good.
You know what? Normally I don't like scary movies, but you brought me there and it was exciting and I wanted to scream. But I reminded myself where I am, and I must say I'm giving you a 9 because I know you have so much more to offer us. All right? Wonderful, Brandon.
Nero.
Yo, the main fact is this youth have come from so far, and them always prepare. Them always in a corner, they start try to put on them show, prepare for them show and things. You know what I mean? Them always deliver. You know what I mean? I respect that boy, my lad. But I tell you, like, I do some things when I'm normal. I tell a story using dance moves, another way of showing art. You know what I mean? We don't have many Jamaicans do it. I 10 for me, no magic. Yep.
Yeah, oh my God, if he's excited, make some noise for him. Hey, trust me, I wish Paris you forward from again.
Clarendon.
All the way from out of Clarendon. Trust me, you get fully 10. That is really excited. Oh, on a fully 10. Oh, you get a 9? Okay. Alright, so you get 4 10 and 1 9. Alright, so hopefully to see you in the next round. What you coming with next time? Pick up yourself and well forward to 100% Talent Jamaica.